Can I receive dollars in my Monzo account? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I receive dollars in my Monzo account? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Monzo? Before I get into the answer, let me give you a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. One of the things that makes Monzo unique is that it allows you to hold and spend multiple currencies. This means that you can use your Monzo account to make payments in pounds, euros, and US dollars. Can I receive dollars in my Monzo account? The answer is yes. You can receive dollars in your Monzo account. There are a few different ways to do this. SEPA transfer. You can transfer dollars from another bank account to your Monzo account using SEPA. SEPA is a European payment system that allows you to transfer money between banks in different countries. Wire transfer. You can transfer dollars from another bank account to your Monzo account using a wire transfer. Wire transfers are typically more expensive than SEPA transfers, but they are faster. Revolut. You can transfer dollars from your Revolut account to your Monzo account. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including multi-currency accounts. Wise. You can transfer dollars from your Wise account to your Monzo account. Wise is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including currency exchange and international money transfers. How to receive dollars in your Monzo account. Once you have chosen the method that you want to use, you will need to provide the following information. Your Monzo account number. Your Monzo sort code. The name of the person or bank that you are sending the money from. The name of the person or bank that you are sending the money to. The amount of money that you are sending. The currency that you are sending the money in. Once you have provided all of this information, the money will be transferred to your Monzo account. Additional tips. Make sure that you have enough money in your account to cover the transaction. If you are sending money from another country, you may need to pay a fee. It can take a few days for the money to be transferred to your Monzo account. Conclusion. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.